Good morning, I'm back in TRX to take some classes today about my iPhone. There's the screen set up already and class is starting in 10 minutes. Running late today. Let's get it.
And what will be happening on the very first floor, and after that, if you like to learn on photography, you can join me again at 12:30 p.m. for.
Okay, so apparently this first session is down here and then I come back upstairs for the other two sessions. So 3 hours of classes today. I've made it to the right place. Get started. Okay, it's 11:20 now, so 10 minutes to wait. In the store, it's chilling. People already in here at 11:20 in the morning. Yep. I was so enthralled with the first session that I have zero footage. I was learning and asking questions and I completely forgot to record. I learned about the basics of the hardware and the software. I did learn how to create a custom shortcut on my phone and then add it to my control center so it's easily accessible when I swipe down from the top of my phone. But yeah, if you need help with that, let me know. Okay, back to session 2. Oh my gosh, that first session has my head spinning, but it was so good. So I'm at the second session now. Yes, I love this screen. And that's my teacher. He's a professional photographer. Gonna learn some good stuff now.
Subjects to remove it from your photo. And sometimes you can also tap on other subjects, you just remove them from your shot. You can just tap at the glowing subjects, but if you do it for something that a bit bigger, and then the result might not look the best. Because why? Because cleanup on iPhone is different from the ones that you have on other brands. Because on iPhone...
Woo! I learned so much during this session. We went over selfies, cinematic portraits, action shots, and small details. Woo! It was a lot and it was good. Here he showed me how to shoot better selfies by looking at a specific lens on the back of my camera. So I was testing that out here. For the small details section, he had us take pictures of using the macro setting, which was so cool. So this is my sneaker, this is my hand, this is a towel I had with me, a microfiber towel, and it just showed how to get really, really granular, like up close into the details. So like if you take a picture of a flower or a bumblebee, you'll be able to see the detail up close. We were playing around and getting comfortable with the zoom feature right here, and this is the roof of the Apple store, so cool. This is the cinematic portrait section where we went through all the different lighting options for portraits and how to make the background more blurry or less blurry. I created this little blurry effect with using the edge of my glasses, and that was cool when we were talking about framing and how to create some extra little razzle dazzle to your photos. Finally, this was action mode in photos. We took a burst photo of him jumping, selected the photo we wanted, and so he's up in the air. And then he showed us how to edit it, how to remove things from the background. Very, very, very cool. I loved it all. Okay, I'm on break. 2 classes down, 1 more class to go. And my brain is like, it's so much information. But I'm loving it because YouTube videos are amazing. They have helped me so much, learn about so many things. And I like at the same time being live in person because 1, you're with a professional, right? So the guy who taught me today about photos on iPhone was a photographer, a professional photographer, and worked in TV production too. Incredible knowledge. And then 2, I can ask my questions live in real time and get answers live in real time. So I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay, I got a 30-minute break. I need to get something, grab something to eat real quick, and then I'm back at it. Okay, bye. 3rd session of the day. Let's get it.
I'll say that it's almost similar to what has been covered by Ajib earlier, if he mentioned about the lens. And then we're also going to understand a little bit about composition with it. Another step back.
Yeah. Now it's looking bigger than her, the background.
Yeah, and closer.
Wow, now the background looks really bigger than her. That's so interesting.
Oh God, she's still going.
I'm far back now.
Okay, thank you so much.
Wow.
So let's see the differences. So this is 0.5, this is 1x, this is 2. So you start seeing it's much bigger. She didn't change her position. It's just like I'm switching the lens and I'm putting myself like further than her.
Yeah.
And this is 4 or 5 if you're using it, and for 7 people you can go put like.
Wow. That's amazing. Okay, I think I gotta explain what the heck just happened right here because this was phenomenal. Okay, so basically she showed us how, like, let's say I'm traveling and I'm taking a picture in front of, or taking a picture of my friend in front of a mountain. And the mountain looks so far away because it is. And it's like by using zoom and then stepping back each time, I can make the background, the mountain that's so far away, look like it's way closer, way bigger, filling out the background, and still have my friend in the photo very crisp and clear. This was such a game changer. Like, I can't wait to try this out in real life. Oh, I forgot to say, yes, she did it as a photo, but you can do this in video too.
Right?
Very blurry.
So what we can do is on the edit, we can actually play with focus changes. Right? You can do it while you're recording, but usually I just want to focus on the moment first because we can always adjust it on the edit. Now, when we go to the edit button, you will have this couple of options. So we're going to tap on video. So
this was cool because she was showing us how to edit a video afterwards and change the focus. So like when you're doing cinematic video, it's kind of like when you take a portrait selfie, right? So the foreground is crisp, the background is blurred. And so you can change it where if you're looking at one person, it's focused, and then they move and you can change the focus to someone else. So it's very, very cool. Love this feature as well. Okay, that's it. Whew, my head is killing me. I learned so much today. It's so good, but I need to go eat a proper lunch because I could only grab something on the break because I know 30 minutes sounds like a lot of time, but it was not. Like walking to where I need to go to actually get the food all the way down in the basement and then getting back up here, I just grabbed something like real quick. And so I'm gonna have a proper lunch now because I'm starving. This is where I'm going for lunch. I've seen it for the past 2 days and I'm like, this place looks amazing. So I'm about to check them out. I think I want to get the lamb. They have this, oh, it's Japanese Italian fusion. Interesting. But they have this lamb. It looks amazing. So I'm gonna see. Let's see. Keto potato. I missed their lunch set. They had a business lunch that has a good price, but it's okay. It ended at 3. Let's see. I think the pasta looks good. Oh my gosh. Pasta looks great. Risotto. Oh, they have some fish. Baked salmon teriyaki. Oh, that looks good too. Okay. Yes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get the lamb shank. Oh, the Wagyu sirloin. Roasted spring chicken. Black Angus. Oh my goodness. Okay, too many good options. So apparently this place is tied into the movie theater too. So on the second level is the movies, and you can go to the movies and order food there and eat there. So I'm like, fancy. Very nice. I've never been in here before, and I've actually never been to the movies here in TRX. So I'm gonna have to change that. I'm gonna have to give it a go. I have been to karaoke here before and that was really fun. And they had a robot that took you to your room, your karaoke room. So much fun. I need to tell the girls we need to go to karaoke again because I loved it. Here's the surroundings. Let's see if I can see. Yeah, and then they have the color. When I looked earlier, that color was green. And now it's pink. It's beautiful. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. All done. It was delicious. So good. This place is so pretty. Oh, I love it. I like it. It was good. The food was good. The service was good. I think they're new though, because they were a little bit over eager, but not complaining. I'd rather have over service than under service for sure. I'm back for more. Okay, so the session they're about to have now is iPad. There's an hour session on just like the fundamentals of the iPad, and then there's another session an hour later about drawing on the iPad. So I'm gonna go to both. I'm here. Let's do it. Make it a day of learning, and I'm excited. And here's the garden in the morning with all the light. So this is that dome that I came up under yesterday. There's like a whole little mini amusement place over here for the kids. The kiddos. Ooh, do I hear thunder? Sounds like it's about to start raining. Oh my gosh. So glad I came out here now to get this video. So nice. It looks great. Look at the clouds. Yeah, so this is the garden area. You can sit down. There's another part of the park that's even bigger. It's back there. But my class is starting in 5 minutes, so I don't have time to go and show you that now, but I'll show you another day, no problem. If you want to see it. The buildings. Yes, and then that's the dome. So cool, so cool.
And this is part of our today account that we run every single day here in our store. At today Apple, we aim to provide free learning experience to all of the customers that come to the Apple store, whether you just wanted to get started.
How much is it?
I'm not sure.
I can't believe you did this in like less than an hour. It's so awesome. Can I see your finished?
Yeah, sure. It's not good.
Oh look,
No,
no,
it's
it's
good.
great.
It's good actually.
I love it. Very cool. Great job. Yes. Okay, seriously, my brain is fried. 5 hours of classes. I did this for myself. I really did. But it was fun, but my brain is like, girl, what are we doing? It's too much learning all at once. I'm gonna have to refresh myself and practice for sure. And that was my day. Thank you so much for journeying with me. I will say, the benefit of finding a YouTube video that has the knowledge you need is that you can play it over and over again. The knowledge is already starting to leave my brain from today because it was so much all at once. And I'm like, I wish I had a recording, but it's okay. I can always go back, and I think I might do one of their live tours around the city this weekend. Stay tuned. Ciao.